Hey guys, what's up? Echo here. So today I'm going to be talking to you about Scrambler. So Scrambler is a project that I started about a year ago, and it was the first Discord bot that was made exclusively for cubing purposes. It started as a small project I made to race my friends on our little Discord server. Over the past year or so, it's grown into something much bigger than that though. Today, Scrambler is trusted by over 245 servers, including Cube Rhythms and Brody the Cubers. So without further ado, let's take a look at how it works. So all you have to do after adding the bot is type S exclamation mark and then the name of the puzzle that you want to scramble for. So let's do S exclamation mark 3x3, like that. And then Scrambler will respond with a scramble for that puzzle. And then you can do whatever you want with it, like race your friends, or do, I don't know what else you would want to do with the scramble. So there are lots of options for puzzles too. There's all the WCA events that are available right now are part of the bot, and also a growing collection of relays and non-WCA events. Those with higher server permissions also have the option to adjust lots of bot and server management settings. You can set a custom prefix, select which channel Scrambler is allowed to be used in, and much more. In addition to that, you can configure and host whole server competitions with just a couple commands. But don't take my word for it, add Scrambler for free today to try it out for yourself. All you have to do to get Scrambler is click the first link in the description, which will take you to this page, and then you can select the server you want to add the bot to, and then hit authorize, and then Scrambler will be ready to use on your server. To get information about updates, testing new features, or to look at the source code, join the support server and check out the GitHub page. Both are linked down below. So that just about does it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, make sure to add the bot, hit the like button, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.